As this is the sixth semester of ETE syllabus copy, as we are going to show you talk about this is the embedded system designing, and it is having on theory subject plus it is a lab subject. So in the theory you should when you go into theory subject, then you are having a final exam for the subject for theory, and this is the model 1. You can pause the video and you can go through the model 1 and syllabus. This is the model 2 syllabus copy. As like that when it comes to the model 3, model 4 and model 5. As you can go to this is the practical subject, so you will have the experiments. There is 12 experiments to be done. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be explaining you what is the syllabus, what all topics have been done, how is the experiments to be conducted in exam, how to be conducted in labs, and everything will be explaining in upcoming videos. And this is minimum. You should see the mark scheming also has been shown. You can all go pause it and you can go through it. And you can refer the links given here. You can refer for videos, classes, anything. If you want to know more about the subject, you can refer the links which they are provided in the down, or textbooks and everything. And coming to the next video is coming to the next topic is the microwave and antenna theory. In that beat is BTE 602 the code is, and there is only theory subject. There's no lab in this, only theory. Full theory you should write. It carries 4 credit marks. That is so. And this is the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, and your module 5. In this upcoming videos, I'll be explaining about the module 1, module 2, module 3, what it is, how to be used, and what all, how to answer in each exam, what all type of questions will be asked, and everything will be explained. Don't worry about it. And next coming to the module 3, next topic, you can see go through the mark scheming and everything. You can see the links referred here and everything can use. Next coming to the multimedia communication, that's BEC 6013A. That's also a theory subject which is carries 3 credits. But you should be very careful when you're having 3-4 credits paper. And in this subject it's very less theory, it's very less, so this is multimedia, there's only less to be used in this. So very less topic, so easily you can score and easily people can pass in this subject whoever taking this as an elective subject. It's an elective subject, so you can, whenever you're taking this, please be aware of it. You can easily pass in the subject whoever taking that. This one multimedia. Next coming to data system. Data system is also 3 credit subject where it's theory paper, but it is a little bit complicated. I feel but because there's little bit to theory in this models are there to study compared to the other one. So if you're taking, I recommend everybody to take that PEC as a one because that subject. This is not one. Coming to the next, we are coming to the next. You have the digital imaging process. That is BEC 613C. I'm talking of the A is the best one to select, but once you can select the rest if you want to learn. Okay. On that you're having little more. See the theory is, you can see the content is more. So subject content is more. So it is like little bit. I'll be explaining. Don't worry that I'll be explaining all the modules who was taking. You can just comment in the description so that you will get the notes and this all who requires will be knowing. So more who gives more content will be given for them. Okay, not for less. In this year having coming to the next one is our that is FPGA based system and designing using Verilog. That's a nice subject which you have, I think you all be learned in the third year, second semester or third semester. You'll be learning that this in designing Verilog subject you will learn. In that it's a little more complicated in that if you know that subject perfectly, if you are passed and if you are very good in that subject, you'll be able to tackle the subject also. Who is planning to take it will be good for them. Now coming to the next one is the digital system designing using Verilog. This also is a nice, very nice subject which we recommend people to take. This is the best one. because in those semesters you will be learning this subject in right, so it will be useful in this. So that's one thing. Now, consumer electronics. You know what is consumer electronics? That is the subject which is used microphones, loudspeakers, audio commit disc, control color televisions, cable visions. That all be accessed be taken. It's a good one, but you can all recommend refer that also which is taken it. As you all know that. Now coming to the next one is the electronics communication systems. So electronic students, communication students can mostly take this subject. This is the best subject which we recommend everybody to take. It's in that. In that you'll be learning about the electronics communication, amplifier, angle modifier, this digital communication. You'll be coming through that all module. Okay. You can pause the video and you can go through the content what is in upcoming videos, each topic, what is it, how it is, how it will be used, which one you select, that all will be telling in the upcoming videos. Don't worry about it. Guys. You can comment on my video, okay? And no, there's no issues. We'll be ready to help you all because we are there for you, helping you all people in future. Next, coming to the microcontroller application, that is BET 6054D. So this is also a theory subject. See, this code is a theory subject code. Okay, you should understand that first. We should understand the code and you should keep it. This is a theory subject code. Okay, guys. So coming into that, you will have so many things. See, this is a microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller, which is this is microcontroller subject which you studied in fourth semester. You have studied, guys. You'll be remembering in the fourth semester of microcontroller. That is one which we are going to talk about. Next, coming to the subject is microwave antenna theory is lab. This is a lab means it is a theory. It's a practical subject. It's a lab subject, so you will have the subject. It's a common subject for everyone. Will be having this subject, so it's a lab practical subject. There's only one credit. Just the final exam, you have to need to attend this subject and try to pass it. So don't neglect with this subject because 12 topics, 12 experiments you have to do it. Okay, I'll be showing in my upcoming videos how to use it, what software being used for it, how to be used, everything. Now coming, having one more, that is FPGA based system designing lab using Verilog. That subject is there. That's a practical subject in this. I think you can select in this whichever subject you want. Okay, guys, if you want, you can select. There's another one, system modeling and single simulator. Okay, you can use it. After coming to that, next you have IoT, internet things, internet of things. That's also there's a lab in this. So whichever subject you're taking on the elective subject, according to that there'll be a lab also, practical subject also. Okay, guys, so one credit subject also will come. So it's little complicated because it's making your work a little easy because you'll be learning coding and everything. In exam codings will be asked. That is will be most thing in that. But then you have Python programming and machine learning application. That is, if you're taking the subject, it will be useful for your computer science students related subject. This is which you will be using, and it will be useful for you all. Don't worry. In that only it's a programming, right? So there will be a lot of programs and theories will be asked in this. So in my upcoming videos we'll be talking about the what to be used, how to study subjects, how to pass, what is the package of passing, what all will be doing, how will make you all pass. We'll be showing in upcoming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video, okay, to your friends. Make everybody know there's a channel like this, upcoming videos in this channel. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm signing out by Mr.